Hi, my name is Mohsin Sheikh. I am an architect by profession. As an architect, you are not supposed to get restricted to just make drawings. So here I am contributing my share of knowledge on cities, education, social networking, basically architecture and everything around it. I have an inclination towards environment, so I write about climate change as well. So if you are anyone who's directly or indirectly associated to architecture, this show might have something for you. So stay tuned. Welcome to our podcast. This segment focuses on understanding the evolution process of the city. Every city has its characteristics, social, political, economic aspects, and these are based on how the city evolved. These notions are important as they give us the data of how the city shaped up and why are the things the way they are. For all this, we have the Time Machine project, starting with our own city, Mumbai. This season of our Time Machine project, we will be focusing on various topics. Through these topics, trying to answer the unanswered. How Mumbai was formed? Which dynasties ruled Mumbai? How much time did it take to reclaim Mumbai? How did the name Bombay arrived? Forts in Mumbai, trade and commerce, mills, chawls to fancy malls of Mumbai. How this evolution happened? If you have ever thought about these questions or you are just fascinated by the history of cities, then you will enjoy this segment of our podcast. Mumbai was governed by many empires. During the 3rd century BC, it was a part of Maurya Empire. Between 2nd and 9th century, Mumbai came under the rule of several indigenous dynasties such as Satavahanas, Vakatakas, Kalachuri, Chalukya, and Rashtrakutas. 810 AD to 1260 AD, Mumbai was ruled by Silara dynasty. By 13th century, Mumbai was the kingdom of King Bhimdev before being annexed by the Delhi Sultanate and ruled till 1407. After which independent Gujarat Sultanate ruled the city till 1534. When all the islands that constitute Mumbai were handed over to the Portuguese Empire. In 1534, Portuguese captured the island and established a trading center called Factory. The Portuguese called the place Bom Bahia, meaning the good bay, where the English pronounced Bombay. By 1626, there was a great warehouse, a friary, a fort, and a shipbuilding yard. The first Englishmen to visit Bombay were raiders. In October 1626, whilst a war with Portugal, English sailors heard that these Portuguese had got into a hole called Bombay to repair their ships. They attacked Bombay, but the ships had already left. The English burned down buildings and destroyed 2 new Portuguese ships, not yet from the stocks. In May 1662, King Charles II of England married Catherine of Braganza, whose family offered a large dowry. Part of this gift was the Portuguese territory of Bombay. However, King Charles II did not want the trouble of ruling the island and in 1668 persuaded the East India Company to rent them for just 10 pounds of gold a year. Within a few years, the company had transformed Bombay. Governor General Gerald Ongier set about building up the fort with a new quarry, warehouses, and custom houses. In 1670, the company had 1,500 soldiers in Bombay to protect the people living here. By 1675, the population was around 60,000. In 1687, the company made Bombay their Indian headquarters. The headquarters stayed there until 1708. Mumbai was originally a cluster of 7 islands: Colaba, Bombay Island, Parel, Mahim, Worli, Little Colaba, and Mazgaon. Fact: Colaba was originally South Mumbai located, which was once called Old Woman Island. It took nearly 150 years to join the 7 islands of Mumbai. Originally, Mumbai was from Dongri to Malabar Hill. The first reclamation took place in 1708 between Mahim and Sion. Second took place in 1772 to connect Mahalakshmi to Worli. And in 1803, Salsette Bay Causeway was reclaimed from Sion. Colaba Causeway pinned the island of Colaba to Mumbai in 1838. Mahim and Bandra were connected by the causeway in 1845. In 1853, the first Indian railway opened which stretched from Bombay to Thana. During the 20th century, Mumbai was a strong base for the Indian independence movement. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held here in December 1885. And for the next 50 years, the city hosted the annual Congress sessions 6 times. The city saw its first economic boom during the American Civil War 1861-65, becoming the chief cotton trading market in the world. In 1960, Maharashtra was formed and Mumbai was declared as the capital of the new state. Navi Mumbai is the world's largest planned city with an area covering 344 square kilometers. The twin city of Mumbai was developed in 1972. The city changed its name in 1995 to Mumbai after Mumba Devi, the stone goddess of the deep-sea fishermen who originally lived on the island before they were driven out by the East India Company. This was the timeline of the city Mumbai, starting from 7 islands to current scenario. We have detailed episodes coming up next every week. If you like this, share this with your friends and on social media. We are also on Facebook and Instagram by the handle AR Mohsin Sheikh. If you want to read more such content, you can visit our website. Until we meet next time, stay safe and peace out.